how to say you eat like a pig in Arabic. Hi, my name is Bree. I work at Arabius and we help everyone learn Saudi Arabic and culture. So yes, I am aware. Pigs are haram. No problem. But in English, it's a really common expression. If someone's eating a lot, to be like, oh, they eat like a pig. It's not particularly nice, but it's kind of funny. It's like something you say tongue-in-cheek to your best friend or to your little brother. So we tried to figure out, how do you say that in Arabic? And we got all sorts of responses, but no one would really answer. So we learned the Saudi way to say you eat like a pig is something more like
bombastic side eye.
bilafia. But if you want to say something a bit more traditional, here are a few expressions to say, but only say them to like a close friend or a brother that you're teasing because they're a little rude.
ياكل الأخضر واليابس. مقبرة ما ترد ميت. مفجوع مفجوع.
Start your Arabic journey with a free trial at Arabius.com.